if you have any doubts, you can easily connect with your faculty. Who is your faculty? At this, I have already told you that your faculty will be Dr. Huma Hassan ma'am. Good morning students, my name is Manu Malik and today I am very much happy to welcome you at the PLUTUS family, and second thing I am very much happy as well to announce about the sociology test series that PLUTUS IAS is going to conduct. And these test series, what you will be getting in the test series, then you will be having 12 tests for your mains answer writing. There will be 8 sectional tests and 4 tests will be full length tests, right? And in sectional there will be some unit wise test or some topic wise test. Full length test will be the pattern that UPSC follows about the number of questions, time limit, word limit, analysis part. All these things will be done according to the pattern of UPSC exam, right? Second thing, what you will be getting besides your 12 tests, you will be getting analysis by faculty itself. Yani ki the analysis part, the checking part of your answer copies will be conducted by Dr. Huma Hassan ma'am itself. Yani ki your faculty, your sociology test series faculty, your sociology optional faculty, Dr. Huma Hassan ma'am. Okay. Third thing, what you will be getting one-to-one interaction, like after your test series analysis, like after your checking of your test series copies, then the analysis part will also be given by ma'am. Like you can have one-to-one interaction with your faculty, like it includes test, it includes your interaction, and then it includes your mentorship as well. Like you can have one-to-one interaction, ki ma'am I have these doubts and I want to have a one-to-one word with you, then ma'am will be there for you, okay. Fourth thing, the guidance till mains exam, yani ki till your mains will be conducted, you will be connected with the ma'am itself. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can easily connect with your faculty. Who is your faculty? At this, I have already told you that your faculty will be Dr. Huma Hassan ma'am. So if I talk about her credentials, what are her credentials? Then she has around 14 years of experience in her field. Like she has a vast knowledge in her field, right? Second thing, she is the ex-faculty of Jamia. And third thing, she has done her PhD degree from JNU itself. Fourth thing that you should need to know about ma'am, then she has like qualified UGC NET 3 times in a row, right? So these are her credentials if you need to know about ma'am. And then if you need to know about your things that you will be getting in your test series, then these are the things: 12 test, analysis part, your mentorship, and your guidance program till your mains exam. Okay, so these are the things that you will be getting in your sociology test series. So yeah, this is it for your sociology test series.